Hello and welcome back. Right, today we've got the Glock 19, and what we're going to do, we're going to clean the inner barrel. Simple to do. First thing you do is obviously take out the stick mag. We have a screw here, just a single screw to take out. Be careful not to lose this screw because it's tight. It's not the tiniest, but it's tiny. Right, there we go. That's that. And the next thing we need to do is push the slide back and up, and that will release the slide. Now here we have a spring. Note how the spring is positioned. The thick part is facing the front. Then pull out the barrel. You'll have like a kind of washer or spacer wherever it is. Okay, pull that out, and there you go. That's the inner barrel. A bit greasy. Right, so now what I use, these are filters for roll-ups. You know, like tobacco roll-ups and smoking and stuff. And what you can do, these are great because you can manipulate them to fit the size of the barrel, and you get a nice clean. Just manipulate it a bit more so it goes in. There we go. So I just use this little rod, just get it in the middle so it doesn't scratch the barrel. Push it through. Should come out the other side. There we go. And get another one. I normally do it twice, just to make sure it's nice and clean. There you go. Stick that in there, and you just push it through. Just like that to the other side. So that's done. So now it's time to put back the barrel. So the first thing to do is put that inside, that way around. Make sure these tabs are at the bottom and they fit in here, just like that. And you should hear a click when you push it back. There we go. Put the spring back, thicker part facing forward. Just clean my hands. And now put the slide back. Now with this it can be a bit tricky, but the best way to do it is actually angle it so this part here touches the bottom bit of the gun. Just like that, and then push it back. There you go. And it clicks back in. Yeah, so it's a bit tricky to get it to line up really, but it's not that hard. Anyway, then obviously just stick the screw back in. That's it. And there you have it. Clean barrel on a Glock 19 BB gun. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.